Hello and welcome to another video of KernSafe technology tutorial series. In this video I will show you a brief overlook of new version of iStorage Server 2.50. In this version we have a couple new features added. For example, CD, DVD, RW burner emulator that allow you to burn files directly to ISO file by emulating a burner. Improve performance in HA cluster and synchronization replication. Multi-user mutual CHAP authorization. New options while creating image file. So let me now start with a very interesting feature, and that is virtual burner. So first let me create it by clicking on create button, choosing optical device, and here we can see that we have new options available. That new option is virtual recordable optical drive. If you will choose it and press next, on this screen you can choose if you want it to be a standalone or autoloader type. If you will choose standalone option, image file after being burned in software of your choice will be automatically mounted as an iSCSI target and you can easily browse it. But if you will choose autoloader option, that target will be disconnected and new blank file will be connected into its place. Therefore it is very convenient while doing any type of backup. So let me choose the other option. Press next here. You can choose if you want to choose a CD or DVD. I will choose a CD. Since I choose an autoloader option, I need to choose a folder, because in that folder there will be stored all image files that will be created. Of course, we can also choose this option, and that is automatically load the virtual optical drive iSCSI target when ejected. I will select it and click next. As authorization method, I will choose anonymous. Later on I will show how to set up multi-user mutual CHAP authorization. I will leave the default name. After my target is created, we can open initiator, switch to the discovery tab, add this portal, switch back to the target tab, and here we can see our target. After we will connect to it, we will be able to notice that the computer screen we can see new blank CD. We can easily burn it using Windows 7 default burning software, which I will do right now. Let me just choose some default pictures. For example, those three. Click on burn to disk, next, and then there it is burned. After burning will be finished, and we will open computer screen again and try to open that CD. We will see that there is already new blank CD mounted in its place, and we can, for example, now burn those three pictures in the exactly same way. As I mentioned earlier, every of those targets will be automatically mounted as an iSCSI target. So if we will now open initiator and click on the refresh button, we will see that there are two new targets available to connect. Let me connect, for example, to this one, and we can see new drive that appeared in the computer screen, and we can open it and easily browse to all of the pictures I burned a second ago. Now let me show other feature, and that is mutual CHAP authorization. You will see it when you will be creating new user. You will see that there is a new section that is specifically for mutual CHAP authorization. Of course, please remember that username and password is case sensitive, even if within section. This feature is to increase security, because now you can make sure that only you can have access to the target you created. Other feature that we implemented in this version are new options while creating new image file. We can fill new target with zeros, compress it, and encrypt it. Those features are already implemented in the NTFS file system, and filled with zeros can assure you that the target while you will be creating is completely empty and there won't be any data in it. Of course, I will talk more about those features in the upcoming video tutorials. As for now, if you wish to download new version, and that means 2.50, please head on to our website. Link is in the description box below. Thank you for your attention. That is all I have prepared for today in this brief overlook, and talk to you soon.